Hi, I'm Tim Casey, Director of Economic Development for the Waukesha County Center for Growth, and very excited throughout Wisconsin, and especially southeastern Wisconsin, about the announcement last week that Foxconn Technologies is looking at a major plant somewhere here in southeastern Wisconsin. We think it's just going to have a tremendous ripple impact. We know that Foxconn is looking for a network of suppliers, and they're asking for information on companies within 100 miles of the areas that they're looking in for the plant. We've got a tremendous manufacturing base here in Waukesha County, 950 manufacturers, and we know that Foxconn has already had a chance to visit with a couple of those manufacturers and is in discussions with them, and we're just now beginning to understand better the supply chain requirements that they have, the network of suppliers that they're looking for. And we're going to be working with M7 and Foxconn representatives to really match up our companies and their capabilities with what Foxconn is looking for in terms of suppliers. K through 12 districts are instituting a series of programs that expose kids to manufacturing opportunities and other business opportunities, and giving them an opportunity to really understand that industry better. The technical college system, which was a pioneer here in Wisconsin, including Waukesha County Technical College, are going to be an integral part of helping to provide the workforce that's going to be needed for Foxconn suppliers, and for our existing business and industry. And similarly, the university system, the existing engineering programs at UWM, at Marquette, at UW-Platteville, at Milwaukee School of Engineering, all have tremendous capabilities and will be ramping up. And one of the things that you've heard people talk about is the need for all of the different levels of educational institutions to work together to make sure that we expose kids early, get them through the training that they need, whether that's a 2-year technical college degree or whether they go on to a 4-year engineering degree or an advanced engineering degree, so that they prepare themselves for opportunities, whether it's at Foxconn, a supplier, or other business and industry that we have here in the region. It's really been a regional effort, and you know, again, the Waukesha County Center for Growth really wasn't directly involved in any negotiations or discussions, but it's just really good to see the way that the state of Wisconsin, the governor's office, WEDC, the Economic Development Corporation for the state of Wisconsin, and M7 work closely together with all of the other partners that we've mentioned, including the educational partners, to respond to this Foxconn opportunity. I think one of the things that's very significant about the largest economic development project in the history of the state of Wisconsin, and one of the largest by any measure in the history of the United States, is people get it right away that this is something that requires the involvement and support of a lot of institutions and partners throughout the region. This is going to touch the whole region. In terms of our educational partners, in terms of suppliers, and in terms of where folks are going to come from. People from throughout southeastern Wisconsin and other parts of Wisconsin, the rest of the Midwest, and the nation and the world will have an opportunity to look at what Foxconn and suppliers are going to have to offer and choose whether they'd like to come to southeastern Wisconsin and be a part of this story.